Good morning to all our students and staff at Aldersley High School. We are now on day 5 of week 1 of our virtual school. What a great week it has been. It's been fantastic to see such wonderful lessons being delivered with lots and lots of interaction between staff and students. It's been great to see all the social media tweets showcasing the wonderful work that's been taking place both inside and outside the classroom. So yesterday you were set some challenges by Miss Pritchard. The first challenge was to secure at least 100 points in a day. So today I've been looking at the points achieved so far in the last 24 hours, and it has been absolutely amazing the number of points that have been awarded to our fantastic students. I would like to say a big well done to Phoebe and Sam in year 7, Molly and Harry in year 8, Solon and Morgan in year 9, and Rio and Casper in year 10 for achieving the greatest number of points for each of their year groups. You've also was asked to complete a random act of kindness, so I hope that you have all been considerate of the others around you and have all set up your own Twitter account so that you can follow all the wonderful things that are happening at Aldersley over the next few weeks. So, what I would like to look at today is your aspirations. So what do you want to achieve in the future? What is your hope and your ambition for your future? We've had lots of time to reflect on where we're at and lots of time to reflect on where we want to be. So, what I would like you to do is start thinking about those career aspirations. What do you want to achieve out of life? What skills, what qualifications, what attributes can you develop through your journey with us at Aldersley High School? It is now really important that you start to focus on yourself, your skills, your personal journey. So to help you with this, each of you has now had a Unifrog account set up email sent to you. If you are in year 7 or 11, this has been sent through your AA Trust email account, and for other year groups through your Aldersley High email account. What you need to do over the weekend is log onto your email, find the email and register your account so that you can start receiving lots and lots of information to support you for opportunities for your future, and also start to explore those opportunities. Talk to your family and friends about their aspirations and the journeys that they have completed to get to where they are today. What I would like you to do now is close your eyes and think and visualise. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? Where do you see yourself in 10 years' time? Where do you see yourself in 20 years' time? Think about your surroundings. Who are the people around you? What are you doing? What does your future look like? Open your eyes and start to think, how can I now put this onto a mood board? A mood board that will summarise your aspiration and how you are going to achieve this. Your mood board can be made up of lots of images, text and illustrations, all put together randomly in a collage to show you what it is you are working towards. This mood board will provide you with a constant reminder of what you want to achieve. So once your mood board is completed, why not hang it on your bedroom wall or place it somewhere where you can look at it every day and reminded of what it is you are trying to work towards. What are the steps that you will take to ensure that you can realise your aspiration? So, I asked my daughter to do exactly the same. She's a little bit older than most of you. She is now in her first year at university. But when I asked her to put together her ideas, this is what her mood board looks like. So she is currently studying at the University of Birmingham. She's studying to be a dentist, and for her future she's looking at specialising as an orthodontist. So for her mood board, she has started by showing that she would like to graduate, so be successful in her degree, move on to specialise as an orthodontist, Alongside, she has looked at what she will do with the money that she achieves. So lots of shopping, lots of holidays, so a big house, all the luxuries that you're probably all thinking of. But also donating to charity, not forgetting about those who are not as well off as she is. Always thinking about her own well-being, so good health and exercise. And important to her is family and faith. So these have also been included in her mood board. So what will your mood board look like? What motivates you? What are your drives in life? What do you want to achieve? And what are you going to do to get there? So today's challenges. What I would like you to do, first of all, log onto your email and register and set up your Unifrog account. I then, over the weekend, want to make sure that you get active. I know we're all indoors, but there are lots and lots of different ways in which you can be active indoors. So tweak your activities. So let us know what you did to keep active over the weekend. And then your third challenge is to produce a mood board for your future aspiration. So what would that aspiration look like, and what are these steps that you're going to take to achieve it? Once you've completed, take a photo of your mood board and tweet it. Don't forget to copy in the careers team. So don't forget, during the day, as you carry on with your lessons as normal, make sure that you are keeping safe. So this slide reminds you of the people that you can contact between the hours of 8 and 4 if you need any support. Day 5 of our coping calendar is all about getting active, and this is why I've set you your challenge of getting active indoors over the weekend. And finally, at the end of the day today at 4 o'clock, all the messages on Teams and emails will be switched off. Therefore, nothing will be responded to until Monday morning. So if you need any safeguarding support, make sure you use one of the numbers below. Have a lovely day, a fantastic weekend, and let's hope the sun continues to shine for us all.